Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. So the summer vacations have started and the kids are going to be at home and you would want to give them some homemade snacks which can be made easily. So now in this video I've made a 1 minute chocolate chip cookie. This just takes 1 minute in the microwave and you can make it the way you want it. I've given the quantity for one cookie. You can make up to 6 cookies in the recipe given below. So do check it out and do try it and feed your kids a healthy cookie. So for more such recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's jump into the recipe. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some melted butter. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon melted butter. We are making one cookie at a time. So I've taken 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon castor sugar, and then a little bit of vanilla essence. Now we need the sugar to be dissolved in the butter and milk mixture. So let's mix it a little. So the sugar has started to dissolve into the butter. Now add some baking soda. I've used salted butter here, so I'm not adding salt. If you're using unsalted butter, please add some salt. Then 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. So this quantity is for one cookie. So if you want to make only one in the microwave or two, accordingly you can adjust it. I've given the recipe for 6 cookies in my description box. So do check it out. So I'm mixing everything together and forming a cookie dough. So our dough is ready. I'm just going to use my hands to mix everything together. So our dough is ready now. Let's make the cookie. To make the cookie in a plate, I've just lined a butter paper and I'm going to put the cookie on top of the butter paper and shape it into a round like this. You don't want to make it too thin. So once you press it nicely, you can add some chocolate chips on top. You can also chop some chunky chocolate and add it also, however you prefer. So I'm going to just stuff it with some chocolate chips. And then I'm going to put the cookie into the microwave oven on high for 1 minute. So you put it on high for 1 minute in the microwave and the cookie will be ready. So after cooking it for 1 minute, the cookie needs to rest for some time. Let it cool down completely and it is ready to be served. So I've made 6 cookies out of the recipe given below. So do check it out and let me know how you found it. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.